that?
Oh. Behind the scenes, bro. Behind the scenes. GoPro, man. Yeah. Hey, these fuck niggas.
Oh, damn, here go extendo. I'm hanging out the window, steady slide with Lil Banjo. I'm coolin' with the cuzzo, niggas hating, but for what though?
They trying to slow as fuck, y'all. Look at this shit. I done hauled this bitch about 4 times. This shit crazy. You gotta see me out road, bro. You know what I'm saying, bro? Don't need to let me that, man. I'm trying to see what the fuck we doing. You got the scats over there, bitch. Cut out the cut. We got Banjo in the cut. We got that boy motherfucking Jano in this bitch. God damn, nigga. It's turned into a fucking human giant.
Yeah,
fuck?
It's big.
Bro, that nigga finna get buff as a bitch. Who got on this bitch today, man?
We got the Honda Civic single jingle dingle cam right here.
This nigga got a green gut, man.
Yeah, you like it? I know you like it.
Ho, brother, whoa, now. You got too much dip on your chip.
That bitch slime. That bitch done. Slat. You got a hammer? Flat. I left my toolbox at the crib. Damn, fam.
Whole setup.
I do this shit for real. Whole setup. Bro, y'all building the car at the fucking at the gas station, nigga, at the Circle K.
Hey, Civic.
Keep naming out there. There's something there.
A woman is dead after a fire at a gas station.
That nigga fucking trying to hammer the damn battery back on. Look at this shit.
That bitch blew up.
Oh, that bitch blow up for me, bitch.
Yeah, like that bitch blew up.
Yeah, man, I'm finna get the load to the next spot, bruh. We got Jano behind the damn cam, man. You know, they done repaired that shit. This bitch working again. I don't know how the fuck.
Right.
Bitch, I'm leaving this bitch here for the tow truck. Bitch, on bro. Oh, shit, they about pushing in the road.
Hey, pushing that.
Oh.
Hey, pushing that.
Oh.
Hey, pushing that.
Oh. Black cat.
He about to break his ankle in that.
Fuck his whole life up, man. Yeah. He gonna be able to drive no more.
He finna break his ankle in that bitch.
Oh, bro. You know, these niggas got the scats and shit over here. Like, that's fine.
They ducked off and shit. Hey,
let me damn talk. Let me talk. Shit. Fuck. But yeah, man, we finna get to this next location.
Hey, make sure y'all niggas like and subscribe, man.
Yeah, you heard him, man. That shit gonna explode. Wow. You know what I'm saying? But we finna get to the next location, man. I'm gonna hit y'all up on this. We out.
Hey, Concrete Jano in this bitch. You already know.
to work, brother.
What? We got
Street
Concrete Rick in this bitch. You feel me? Got the Concrete boys. But you know we coolin'.
I'm a real deal YouTuber today. Fuck it.
All the guys, doggy.
Damn. This bitch, man. This your pit, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? We got that boy representing Tampa, Florida.
Tampa, Florida, you feel me?
Them boys ate with the shot. Behind the scenes, bro. Behind the scenes. GoPro, man. Yeah. He's doing it for real. Damn, back in the middle of time. Hey, me through rubber all in my eye. Get way. That shit gonna catch on fire. Okay. That bitch almost.
That bitch up.
Yeah. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Fucking young shit. You a YC, you a young cracker, man. That's what I'm talking about. We got a YC out this bitch, man. You know. Cut out for me, fam. Oh yeah! got that bitch.
Yeah, he got that bitch.
He got that bitch. Fuck this nigga that close, man.
I got dirt in my cup, man.
Damn, that shit got everywhere.
You gotta turn it up. What the fuck?
Hey, I threw it down. A water balloon, that bitch, but as soon as I threw that bitch.
I ain't fucking this shit, but it just fucked up my cup. It's just gonna crash.
You got rubber in your cup? No, y'all still rubber. Sorry, nigga, you hear me?
What the fuck going on? They have to stop with the lunch trays.
Right there, yeah.
There we go.
And then start sliding that.
Y'all stop talking in black folks, man. Hey, he like he about to crash that bitch. Bro.
I just got this audio. What that shit a waffle.
You thought we tried to turn that bitch. Hey, I was scared for his ass. He like, he would not do like this. He trying to catch that motherfucker. Bro. You know what I'm saying? We got the guys in the cut though. You know what I'm saying? That boy, he finally popping out. You finally the big boy now, nigga. What the hell y'all doing, man? Oh, hell nah. You can take that shit off. He boofing. You gotta go. Fuck y'all doing over here?
Hey, hit him on this whole thing.
Yo, what the hell y'all doing, man?
Hit his tires between this and this. This truck.
Yeah, they just coming up with shit. Y'all trying to kill somebody. Come on, double back. Oh, he just threw a water balloon at his shit. I just stole his camera. I just stole his camera.
Fucking
Who lighted this is? Who lighted that one?
I ain't gonna lie, you were real.
Hey, that fan. Hey, For real.
That boy just ran over and handed back the lighter.
He go,
That's a one-on-one thing.
yeah, you a pocket.
Here, ready to
pocket.
steal that bitch. I watched you drop it.
Pocket.
Out of my hoodie.
You I said, give me this shit, man. What's wrong with you, bro? I seen you pick that motherfucker up.
I'm like, that's what I'm saying.
Oh man, we got the camera rolling over here, dog.
The battery finna die.
What? No, it's not.
My camera battery finna die, man. Y'all better hurry up and get some shit done.
He ain't even let me
What you smoking on?
Hey, you know.
Oh my God, you disgusting as fuck.
Hey, look.
Tell him some grab a leaf.
Hey, tell him.
Now I'm finna smoke this bitch just like this.
I smoke Swiss leaf.
Hand me lighter. I put weed in it though. That's just like that. Nah, I put weed in it.
Smoke that bitch just like that.
Spark that bitch just like that.
Get your ass out of here.
Spark that bitch just
Get your
like
ass out of here.
I'm out.
Have a good day. At Danny Duncan. At Danny Duncan.
That boy Jacob, the motivator to tell everybody to go to gym every day.
Telling you, get up, go gym, pussy. Stop all that bitch and fuck
His ass be skipping the gym just to smoke.
that shit crazy as fuck. Who skipped the gym, bitch? I went to the gym today.
Down there go is Stando. I'm hanging out the window, back with another motherfucking banger, nigga. Fuck you talking about? I'm off that cup and ready to fuck.
He off that cup, he look like a duck. He can't get no butt. Legalize. I'm on his eye.
Fuck your
Nah,
life.
we back again.
Bing bong.
Well, I'm back again. Can't get to this bitch for a little minute. You know, we had this little car meet and shit. They need to swing this bitch again. I'm trying to get in the middle of that.
Yeah.
You feel me?
For sure.
I ain't lie, that rubber though ain't no joke. You come to this bitch, you need to bring some glasses.
Need glasses, a mask.
What? That bitch gonna tag it.
Masked up.
Don't forget the cup.
Let's see that cup, man. Let's see that cup.
Blueberry juice.
Yes, sir. But all fair.
This nigga got an outlet in there. We got that house outlet. I'm finna get off this out, man.
What it is?
The alcohol, man. You know.
Hey, we guys got more twisted teeth.
You know.
Who the starter?
These bitches fucking raw as hell.
I mean, he just got that shit.
Like, look at this bitch. 392.
Oh my God.
392.
World, I'm about to say no.
That bitch sexy, boy.
You know.
Say _392 Julio. Follow me. You already know about to get this coffee and shit.
Chain.
Yes, sir.
Look at this. He's trying to outdo me, bro.
He's trying to outdo me.
Oh, he got that fuck roll though.
That motherfucker swole.
Oh,
Hold on, put the flash on that bitch. Fuck that. Fuck that.
Damn.
Supposed to be at the strip club right now, boy. For real.
I don't know.
For sure, man. Look at this shit. Hold on. I ain't even see it. Oh yeah, and he got the damn that dart. I call this bitch damn that dart. You know.
Them boys up here on the roof.
But all fair.
That one getting jiggy. I can't even get no real shots. That bitch gonna fuck me up. Yeah, how the fuck y'all did this shit? Hey, bro,
Go look, please. Come to AT Gangsta. Take a seat.
Look, this nigga got an outlet in this bitch.
We got that house outlet from the crib into the V, into the converter, bro.
What the fuck?
Yeah,
Be like that. You fucking snap, bro. I appreciate it, bro.
Damn, bro, this shit raw as fuck. Merry Christmas, bitch. You put me up in Santa. I call this bitch Santa Slay, nigga. We in Santa Slay today, nigga. We in Santa Slay, nigga. We finna go find my damn blunt, though. I heard my shit went missing. I'm taking it. Look, them made sure you brought that bitch back. Yes, sir. Hallelujah. I don't got no damn high school memory. The green, but I had to make sure this wasn't no damn DMT. Don't tell me he's gonna spin. Who you got right here with this nigga here be making some fire clothes now.
Y'all go get that rubber band boys. You feel me?
For real, man. Rubber band boy.
Yeah,
Hold on, show the back. Show the back. That's where it's at. Fuck wrong with you?
Oh, dude.
Fuck wrong. Hold on, you finna pop the trunk and reveal the real shit. The real deal.
Oh, it really is?
You got shorts and all, nigga. Oh, yeah, you snapping. Oh, set, nigga.
What you doing? What you doing?
I just got this bitch out the shop.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I respect it.
No, I ain't going there. You got the bag and shit all out.
Put it up though?
Yeah, nigga, I put it up.
You know what I'm saying though? What y'all finna do after this?
Sure, I don't even know.
I said no. I need a car swinging from up here. I'll get you that aerial POV.
That's too high. I'm too fucking high to go up there. I'll fall off the fucking roof right now.
You on that bitch?
What you smoking, fam? That's a J.
I told you when I told you earlier, nigga.
I was scared.
I'm smoking a big swisher just by the tobacco, bitch.
That's a Swisher, just tobacco?
Just tobacco, nigga. You know how we rock it. Ain't no duckies in this bang, none of that, bitch. Straight that tobacco. Tobacco is wacko. Yeah,
Wait. That's a regular J?
no, it's weed in that bitch.
I'm about to say, I don't smell no tobacco. Ooh, he snapped. He fucking snapped. That boy got that shit. That nigga. Hey, I'm riding back with you, boy. Nigga, I'm calling that nigga to go on the drill.
I had to rate all the motherfuckers out here. He one of them ones.
Oh, bro. hey, what you rate that shit, man? That nigga got a 10 out of 10. Can't spin.
Hey, drift wise, take over. He ain't that guy, bitch. But drift wise, you catch him on the track, bitch. He finna eat your ass alive.
Take over control, bitch. You on that shit,
Before you were, we got a big ass situation right now. Well, then that's just your hair.
Bro, listen, I remember back in the day, bro, I used to have that short shit. I'm finna outgrow all these niggas, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, ain't no shit. He probably done chopped this shit multiple times. Bro, I done outgrew his ass now. I ain't even worried about this nigga no more. He was growing his shit, and his shit just don't grow. For real. But this nigga, bro, I don't know what the fuck this nigga. He be eating ass with his head, bro. This nigga hooked my ass down, bro. This nigga had fucking little doodles. And this motherfucker came out to this bitch. Like, what the fuck, nigga? Banjo, I ain't even gonna say shit about his. This shit always just been longer than mine. You know. I'm waiting for him to chop this shit, though. It's coming soon.
It ain't weak, bro.
So I'm gonna have my.
It's normal.
I just know.
Yeah, that's crazy.
It's coming soon for real?
Yeah.
Oh, damn, look at that.
You gotta get creative, bro.
This shit wrong, bro. You gotta do a trim your shit.
Like Rachel
Cut my shit.
You gotta do a trim your shit. I ain't cutting these motherfuckers. These go to the lobby saying I'm gonna cut them, but that just come out. I don't be having no retwist, man.
Man, you can put it back in, man.
Hell yeah. How your ass got up there, man?
Hold myself up.
You're strong ass.
That's like somebody's daddy.
Bro, strong ass. Super strong. Yeah, we finna pull it with your ass, man.
Dumb ass nigga. It's like I'm at a football game. Yeah, you're funny, bitch. Try to fucking go get down. That's the wrong with y'all niggas. Y'all always try to think. Oh, dude.
They finna race.
That bitch need to focus. There you go. Don't good. He pick it up.
I ain't going up. That shit turn off! Damn! Them motherfuckers got them engines, bitch. For real. For real. You supposed to be in motherfucking, what's the name?
Oh, I forgot you was recording.
Damn. You know what I'm saying? This nigga Sherman fuck. Recording my ass, man.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Bro, goddamn, bro. Give me this shit. Let me get your ass not fucked, nigga.
Oh, you sure?
Don't you fucking recording
Hold
this
on.
shit, bro.
Oh, no, oh, yeah. You know, we back to the vlog, man. See, man, they was just racing. Nigga, all in my face.
Make my shit blurry. Water balloon. He give me all the little ass titties, man. What's up with this shit?
This all that left,
What, abortion?
Yeah, that's it. Got some more?
Hey, you should've do something.
My phone in my pocket. My phone in my pocket.
No, oh, shit, he got your ass, bitch. I got two little titties for a bitch. Hold up. Hey, I got 2 titties for a bitch. Y'all can hit somebody from up there? Yeah. That bitch might not pop, but hey, it might do. Yeah. Woo! Yeah, I'm gonna hit his ass. I seen that bitch. He almost died of his ass. That's what I'm talking about, boy. Yeah, we gotta spin this bitch. You know what I'm saying? Tell that nigga out the way, man. Get out the way, man. Lost my shoe. Oh yeah, them the fucking niggas snapping, boy. This nigga here. But your ass cut up, boy. Damn, bitch. That's what I'm talking about. What's your Instagram, fam?
Instagram, Mr. 392.
You know what I'm saying? Mr. 392, bitch. You him, bitch, for real.
Appreciate.
For real, but that boy snot. Hold on. Let's go though. And the tire not even done yet, bitch. You can still make it home.
Exactly.
For real, nah. For real, you did that shit.
Hell yeah, y'all stay safe.
Oh yeah, you stay safe out here, fam. Get back and get strapped. That boy tires on the road. You on thread, you on thread. You on thread. Yeah.
That's the tire mark.
Oh shit. You get the wipe.
You probably can wipe the mark, but yeah, the tires, you just need to get new tires tomorrow, man.
Damn. What the hell happened?
What you mean?
You on thread.
Burn the tire.
You on thread. Like, he can make it home though still.
Yeah, you can make it home, game, but
don't be pushing this
tomorrow,
bitch.
you got
You know what I'm saying? Like everybody about to slide though, man. That's the end of the video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, bitch. We out.